Here's how to create better Instagram stories in 2026. First, launch open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. From the home screen, you want to tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner of your screen. From here, either select a photo or video, or you can simply click one. Go ahead and capture a new photo or video over here. Before posting, you want to use the Instagram's editing tools to make your story more engaging. You can add text. For that, tap on the text icon. Now go ahead and type an interesting caption. Next, tap on stickers. Here you can select different types of stickers, GIFs, polls, and quizzes. Now tap on the music icon. From here, you want to select a trending song. You also have the option of restyle. Go ahead and select that. Now select a filter from here. Applying a restyle filter can instantly make your story look better. You can experiment with different types of filters and effects to enhance your content from here. Some things to keep in mind is keep your text easy to read, avoid overcrowding the screen, and use high quality photos or videos for best results. If you're sharing multiple stories, try to keep them short and consistent so they're easier for viewers to follow. Once you're happy, tap on the Your Story option to share this with your followers. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.